All right, welcome back, Ganda. Test test, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes, welcome back, Ganda. Have you got your answers for this?
yeah,
Cool. There you
okay,
go.
yeah. I think the star that located here is smart uh, because the the situation um, describe the straightforward goals that we need to raise funds to buy more equipment for the team. I think it's the clear goals for this case. And the jobs provided here, I think it's kind of relevant to uh, to the situation because it's clear that his job is to work with the rest of the team to set up a big cell to raise the money. So it's relevant to raise funds to buy more equipment for the team. Also, the action, I think it's relevant because he has the capability and he realized what that she can do and it's relevant to um, pursue the goals. And the result, I think it's measurable because it can, to 200, uh, GBP. And yeah, there's data of uh his target.
All right, thank you so much for your answers, Ganda, and for your analysis. So, based on your assessment, are you saying that this example is already very star and it's very smart, based on all the specifications it is written, yeah?
uh yeah, actually yes, but I have that confusing about the uh the measurable
Mm-hmm.
the measurable points.
Mm-hmm.
uh
Yes.
is it include we should where this standard we include, is it in task or in result or
Mm-hmm.
in both?
Mm-hmm.
When we do something, before we do something or after.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's the point that I get confused.
Mm-hmm. To be measurable, or talk when we're talking about the measurements, yes, it can be both. How can we measure our progress? It can be
Mm-hmm.
stated in the results. For example, as a teacher, we have pre-tests, we have post-tests, we have assessments, we have evaluations, whatnot, as a formative or summative assessments. So it can be anything depending on your context, on your measurements, tools or resources. But what I'm trying to say, Ganda, this example is not from me. It's from the websites of NHS in the UK. So it's not really the best. It's very simple because it is written for people who wanna prepare themselves for interviews. This is not ideal
Mm-hmm.
examples of scholarship essays using STAR and SMART methods. So
Okay.
if you're a bit confused about the measurements here, it's logical and it is expected because these specific examples here are not that specific enough. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, I already share with you the ideal examples from Zafira. Do you still remember her?
Yeah.
Ya. Jadi Zafira merupakan, kalau tidak salah, brand ambasadornya Scotters. Scotters merupakan kompetitornya Lister, Kobe, eh, salah satu eh, online course terbesar di Indonesia. Dan Zafira juga merupakan graduate dari Harvard, LDIT atau Educational Technology, Master's Degree. Beliau di Harvard sebenarnya self-funded, tidak lulus LPDP, namun sebenarnya beliau lulus Chevening. Jadi
Hmm.
esainya lulus, interviewnya lulus, tapi dia tidak ambil Cheveningnya. Dia memilih ke Harvard dengan biaya pribadi. Eh, I, I don't want to talk about the reasons. It's not our business to talk about that. Tapi di sini yang aku mau sampaikan dan yang mau Ganda lakukan adalah beruntungnya kita si Zafira nge-share keempat
Hmm.
esai Cheveningnya yang lolos tahun 2022 angkatan aku. eh Dia share dalam sebuah video reels di Instagram pribadinya. Jadi ini copyrights-nya ada di dia ya. Eh,
Hmm.
Publicly accessible kok di Instagramnya dia. Jadi kita boleh bahas dan bedah sama-sama esai yang dia share di Instagram reelsnya dia. Hari ini kita mau fokus ke esai satu tentang leadership dan esai 2 tentang networking. Dan harapannya, objektifnya adalah setelah Ganda menganalisa kedua sampel esai chevening yang successful ini dari Zafira, Ganda bisa membedakan. Pertama bisa tahu apa sih eh, objektifnya atau apa sih esensinya leadership essay dan networking essay itu
Hmm.
apa esensinya dan apa sih bedanya antara leadership story dengan networking story? Apa perbedaan narasinya? Itu dua objektif dari workshop kita di jam terakhir ini. Nah, Ganda sudah punya tools tentang STAR dan SMART. Silahkan dibuka
Hmm.
Google Docs-nya Ganda di sini. Eh,
Hmm.
Nanti setelah ini aku bakal bagikan contoh esai chevening yang successful lainnya ada 4 orang, ada 4 sampel. Tapi untuk di Zoom ini kita hanya bisa bahas dari Zafira ya. Sisanya nanti aku share di WhatsApp personal chat kita pribadi eh, dengan link video reelsnya Zafira dan lain-lainnya. Untuk saat ini kita fokus ke Zafira aja dulu karena waktu yang
Oke.
terbatas. Esai satu dan 2. Fokus ke esai satu dulu. Aku mau dari 500 kata ini Ganda analisa star
Hmm.
dan smartnya. Jadi caranya
Hmm.
bisa pakai warna-warni, colorful
Hmm.
figures, atau pakai komen bisa. Satu tugasnya Ganda adalah mengidentifikasi yang mana star, yang mana smart. Apakah di
Hmm.
setiap paragrafnya ada star? Apakah di setiap paragrafnya ada smart? Atau hanya ada satu star dan satu smart di the whole text? eh dan setelah itu yang terakhir tugasnya Ganda memutuskan dan menilai apakah esainya Zafira ini startnya bagus, apakah smartnya sudah bagus atau masih bisa diimprove. Kalau masih bisa diimprove, caranya gimana? Ini cukup susah, makanya 15 menit ya untuk esai satu
Oke.
dan nanti kita bahas baru esai 2 15 menit. 15 minutes start from now. Any questions?
Hmm. Not yet.
All clear? All good? 15 minutes start from now. Good luck. Halo Ganda, are you still there?
Ya.
Okay. Uh, Change of plans. In the next 10 minutes,
Mhm.
I want you to continue to read the second essay, networking essay, okay? I want you to do the
Oke.
same, just like what you did in the first one, using
Mhm.
colorful figures, highlighting which one is star, which one is smart. Uh, I'm expecting more comments from you, yeah? Which one
Ya.
is star, which one is smart. And I want you to analyze the difference, the essence of leadership here, and the essence of networking essay here. What are the
Mhm.
objectives of two, and what is the distinction between the two? Okay. 10 more
Mhm.
minutes. 10 more minutes. Good luck.
Oke.
All right, Ganda, have you done it? Are you
Okay.
finished? Are you done?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
All right. So, first thing first, what do you think about Zafira's Chevening essay number one and number two? What do you think overall?
First impression, I think it's the show of the skill, show off the performance, show off about the what achievement that uh, she she has done in her professional experience and academic. Yeah, that's the first impression. I think she told all about her achievement,
Mhm.
but not the achievement, but also the impact of that achievement. I think, yeah.
That is so cool. So you feel like Zafira is successfully flexing elegantly, right? Uh,
Sorry, your voice is
test test. Am I audible right now? All good? Check, check sound. Test test. Hello?
think my earbuds.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Okay.
Cool?
Okay.
Yes, you just said to me that your first impression towards Zafira's Chevening first and second essays is is a bit powerful. The results are powerful. And you mentioned interestingly that she is flexing her academic performances, academic achievements, and professional experiences elegantly. The flexing is good. But my next question is, you have read her personal statement to Harvard, right? Is there any
Yeah.
differences? Is there any differences from her personal statement, Harvard personal statements, compared to this,
Mhm.
her Chevening essays number one and number two?
Mm, I think. Um. Wait. Let me remember. Mm, I think this essay maybe more maybe more specific
Hmm.
than what she wrote in her personal statement. It's
Hmm.
just general things that what she has done, but
Hmm.
it's more specific. But actually, I find the similarity between these three writings.
Good catch, Ganda. So you can see significant similarities between Zafira's Harvard personal statement and her Chevening scholarship essays, just because the narratives are very similar. Uh, but the main distinction you mentioned that in the scholarship essay, in her scholarship essay, is very more specific compared to her
Mm-hmm,
personal statement, just because the word limit in Chevening application, that would be 2,000 words in total. It used to be 2,000 words.
mm-hmm,
Comparatively, in Harvard personal statement, it's just up to two-page max. Maybe that is also the reason why.
mm-hmm.
My third question for you, Ganda, regarding your star and smart analysis on these two essays, is it complete? Is the star good? Is the smart good? Why or why not?
I think uh, it's not complete according to what the components of star, but I found that